you want to borrow my iPad where you're looking at like each and every single one? Do you want me to have like narrow down the list?
No, no, it's alright. It's just.